Good morning, children. Already start with chemical equilibrium problems. Next problem is 9.2 grams of N2O4 gas is taken in a closed 1 liter vessel and heated till the following equilibrium is reached. N2O4 gas in reversible reaction 2NO2 gas at equilibrium 50% NO2 N2O4 gas is dissociated. What is the equilibrium constant in mole rate inverse? Molecular weight of N2O4 is 92. Options already given. First option is 0.2, B 0.4, C 0.3, D 0.1. Listen carefully. N2O4 is taken in a 1 liter vessel, 9.2 grams. We have to write it. N2O4 in reversible reaction to NO2 gas. Okay, 9.2 grams of N2O4. Already on molecular weight is given 92 grams of N2O4 is 1 mole. 9.2 grams of N2O4 means what? How many moles? 1 by 92 by, that means 9.2 by, that means how much? That is equal to 9.2 by 92 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 10, that is equal to 0.1 mole. Okay? At initial T is equal to 0, this is the 0.1 mole, this is the 0. Reactants are not converted to the products. At equilibrium then T equilibrium 0.1 minus alpha or x and this is the 2x. Okay, at concentration already you know that Kc equilibrium constant 1 liter vessel, that means concentration also concentration is equal to 0.1 minus x by 1, 2x by 1. But in this case, 50% N2O4 is dissociated. 50% N2O4 dissociated means x is equal to 50 into 50 by 100 into how many moles is there? 0.1. 1 by 2. That means x is equal to 0.5 into 0.1, that is equal to 0.05. The dissociated means x is equal to or dissociate, x is equal to degree of dissociation 0.05. How to find the Kc? Kc is equal to NO2 whole square, NO2 concentration power square upon N2O4. Listen, Kc is equal to N2O4 means we have to write it what? 2x square, 2x whole square upon N2O4 means 0.1 minus x whole square. That means 0.1 minus x. Kc is equal to 2 into x means already you know that 2x square means 2 square 4 into x means 0.05 into 0.05 0.1 minus 0.05, that is equal to Kc is equal to 4 into 0.05 into 0.05 upon 0.05. 0.05, that means Kc is equal to 4 into 0.05, Kc is equal to 0.2. Now option is, first option will be correct. Already initial 92 grams of N2O4 means molecular weight of N2O4 already given in this problem. 1 mole, 9.2 grams of N2O4 means 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole and initial time not converted to the product, that's why 0. 0.1 at equilibrium 0.1 minus x 2x. Already given the heat 50% of N2O4. 50% of N2O4 means what? X is equal to 50 by 100 into 0.1. Okay, write by 0.5 into 0.1. X is equal to 0.05. Kc is equal to NO2 power square upon N2O4 2x square. That means 4x square. 4 into x means already given the value 0. We have to find already 0.05. Can calculate the Kc is equal to 0.2. The now option will be first option. Okay, next problem is 1 mole of H2, 2 moles of N2 and 3 moles of HI were taken in a 1 liter glass. The equilibrium constant of the reaction already given is 50. At 30 degrees Celsius, the concentration of HI at equilibrium is mole rate inverse. Already given the options. Okay, you have to write the equilibrium reaction. H2 gas plus I2 gas in reversible reaction to HI. At initial, you have to take the initial. T is equal to, now the hydrogen is taken as a 1 mole. This is T is equal to 0, 1 mole. I2 is taken as a 2 moles. And 3 moles of HI were taken. 3 moles of HI were taken in a 1 liter flask. At the equilibrium constant, at equilibrium, T equilibrium, 1 minus x, 2 minus x, 3 plus 2x. Okay, already given in liter vessel, only taken in a 1 liter vessel. How to find the concentration also? 1 minus x by 1, 2 minus x by 1, 3 plus 2x by 1. Already we have find the Kc. Kc value already given. Kc is equal to how much? HI concentration power 2 upon H2 concentration, I2 concentration. Okay, Kc is equal to HI means already given Kc 3 plus 2x whole square upon H2 means 1 minus x. I2 means 2 minus x. Already Kc is already given. Kc is equal to what? 50 is equal to 3 plus 2x whole square upon 1 minus x, 2 minus x. Then carefully, this is the cross multiplication. 3 plus 2x whole square is equal to 50 into 1 minus x, 2 minus x. Isn't there? This form is a plus b whole square. That means a square means what? 9 plus b square means what? 4x square plus 2ab means this is the a, this is the b. 12x is equal to 50 into 1 minus. That means 1 into 2 minus 1 minus x, 2 minus x, and minus 2x, and x minus minus into plus x square. Okay, 9 plus 4x square plus 12x is equal to 50. 2 minus x minus 3, that means minus 2x, minus 3x plus x square. Then 9 plus 4x square plus 12x is equal to 50. 50 into 2, you have to write it only direct. 50 into 2, 100. 100 minus and 50 into 3, 150x plus 50x square. Okay, write it. Formula 100 minus 150x plus 50x square minus 12x minus 4x square minus 9. You have to write it the formula. First you have to write the x square and the x and the values. 50x square minus 4x square, 46x square, 46x square, and next x's 150 and 12x, that means minus 162x, and 100 minus 9 minus 91 is equal to 0. This form is a quadratic equation. You have to find the x value, easily find the x at equilibrium. Okay, this is the a, this is the b, this is the c. Already you know that b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic equation. B already you know that minus b plus or minus, that means minus cancel, that means 162 plus or minus b square. B square means what? 162 root of 162 whole square minus 4 into a means 46, b means 162, sorry, b not c how much? 91 upon 2a means 2 into 46. Tell us then 162, have to calculate the 162 whole square. 162 into 162, you have to calculate 26244, 162 into 162, 244, and another one minus 4 into 46 into 91. You have to calculate 4 into 46 into 91. You have to calculate 16744 by 92. Have to calculate. And another one 162 plus or minus 2644 16744. Have to we have to subtract that means 9500 root of 9500 upon 92. Root of 9500 calculate, we have to 162 plus or minus, that means 98 upon, you have to root 9500 root is 98 by 92. Okay, another one, this is the have to calculate for x value, have to find the x value. X is equal to all this x is equal to okay, suppose we have to calculate x is equal to 162 plus or minus 98 by 92. X is equal to, that means x is equal to 0.69, and suppose x is equal to 162 minus or plus 98 by 92. X is equal to what? That means 2.8. But this is the not correct, but only reactant is only already given for a very less than 1 value degree of this was x value. That's why x is equal to what? 0.69. You have to find the HI equilibrium. Find the HI equilibrium is equal to 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2x means 3 plus 2 into 0.69. Listen, 0.69 into 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 1 13, that means 1.38. 3 plus 1.38. That means 1.38 means 4.38. 4.38. Almost the answer is 4.4, almost equal to 4.4. HI at equilibrium is 4.4. You have to find the, suppose you have to find the H2 concentration 1 minus x. 1 minus x means what? We have to write it 1 minus 0.69. 0.69 means have to write it 0.69. 10 and 1 have to subtract 0.31. I2 concentration also 2 minus x. Okay, you have to find the HI equilibrium is 4.4. This is the big problem. How to write it? H2, I2, another time I have to repeat. Initial 1 mole, 2 moles and 3 moles is taken. At equilibrium, 1 minus x, 2 minus x, 3 plus 2x. Already Kc values. This is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. 162 into 162. 26244 minus 16744 by 92. Already given for this. X value is 0.69. X is equal to already 3 plus 2 into 0.69. HI at the equilibrium is 4.4. That now option is C option will be correct. Next problem is a mixture of 0.3 moles of H2 and 0.3 mole of I2 is allowed to react in 10 liter evaporated flask at 500 degrees Celsius. The reaction is H2 plus I2 irreversible reaction 2HI. K is already given 64. The amount of unreacted at equilibrium is already given the options. You have to write the equation H2 plus I2 in reversible reaction 2HI. At initial, you have to take the initial T is equal to 0. Hydrogen is taken as a 0.3 moles, I2 is taken as a 0.3 moles, and reactants are not converted into the products. At equilibrium, T equilibrium is equal to 0.3 minus x. 0.3 minus x. Have to write it. This one is 2x. At concentration, you have concentration means what? Number of moles by volume. 0.3 minus x upon 10. 0.3 minus x upon 10. 2x by 10. Already we have to find the amount of unreacted at equilibrium. Already given Kc. Kc is equal to Hi power 2 and H2 concentration, I2 concentration. Listen, in Kc, Hi already given. Kc is also Kc what? Kc is given for 64. 64 is equal to Hi is what you have to write it 2x by 10 whole square upon 0h2 0.3 minus x by 10. 0.3 minus x by 10. Okay, have to calculate 64 is equal to 2, that means 2x square means what? 4x square by 100. 0.3 minus x. 0.3 minus x by 100. Have to get that we cancel is in upside and downside. 64 is equal to 4x square upon 0.3 minus x whole square. A minus, that means 0.3 minus x whole square. Okay. Have to write it 4x square is equal to 64 into a minus b whole square. A square means 0.3 into 0.3 minus B square means minus 2AB 2 into 0.3x B square means plus B square means plus x square. Okay, 4x square is equal to 64 into, that means 0.3 into 0.3, that means 0.09 minus 0.6x plus x square. Okay, how to write it? 4x square 0.09 2 into 0.6x plus x square. 4x square is equal to 64 into 0.09 minus 0.64 into 0.09 is 0.09 is 5.76 minus 64 into 0.6. 64 into 0.6 means 38.4. 0.6x plus 64x square. Listen, 4x square is equal to 5.76 minus 38.4 x plus 64x square. Listen, then 64 minus this 4x square outside means 64. 60x square, first x square you have to write it, minus 38.4x plus 5.76 is equal to 0. Already given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, minus B plus or minus B square minus 4AC by 2A. Root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. B already given for minus minus we cancel, that means 38.4 plus or minus B square means 38.4 whole square minus 4 into 8, 60. C means what we have to write it 5.76. Okay, this is by root upon is equal to x. This is the x. X is equal to by 2a. 2 into a means 60. Okay, 38.4 plus or minus root of 38.4, 38 root of, that means 38.4 into 38.4. How to get the 147 4.56, and we have to calculate 1474.56 minus 4 into 60 into 5.76. We have to calculate 1382.4. 1382.4. Okay, by 120. Calculate x is equal to 38.4 plus or minus. Have to calculate 92.16 upon 120. This is the, you have x is equal to, can calculate 38.4 root 92.16. X is equal to the, say x is equal to 38.4 plus or minus root 92.16 means 9.6 upon 120. Must and we have to calculate 38.4 minus 9.6 by 120. Have to calculate x is equal to 0.24. X is equal to 0.24. The amount of unreacted at the and iodine 2HI. Have to calculate. And X is equal to what? 0.24. The amount of the H2I2 allowed to reaction, the reaction is, the K is found to be amount of unreacted at equilibrium is I2 you have to calculate 0.3 H2 0.3 minus X and 0.3 minus 0.24, that is equal to what? 0.3 0.20 subtract 0.06 and I2 concentration, I2 is equal to 0.3 minus X. You have to calculate 0.3 minus 0.24, that is equal to 0.06. Now to the amount of unreacted I2 at equilibrium, I2 then I2 at equilibrium is 0.06. That means now third option, B option will be correct. B option is 0.06. Unreacted already 0.3. Unreacted means remaining means 0. Unreacted I2 is 0.06. Okay, this is the now B option will be correct. Okay, next question is, in the reaction 2SO3 gas in reversible reaction 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas, SO3 gas is 50% dissociated at 27 degrees Celsius and equilibrium pressure is also given 0.5 atmosphere. Hence partial pressure of SO3 gas at equilibrium is, listen, 2SO3 gas in reversible reaction 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas. Okay, listen, at initial have to take the T is equal to 0. This is the 2 moles, this is the 0, this is also 0. And at equilibrium T equilibrium is equal to 2 minus X, 2X. This is the X only. Okay, but SO3 gas is 50, but initially 2 moles are taken in SO3 gas, but 50% dissociation means what? 50% dissociation means that means 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Okay, hence the partial, only you have to find the partial pressure of SO3 gas. Already you know that formula. Partial pressure is equal to mole fraction of SO3 into total pressure. Mole fraction of SO3 gas is equal to number of moles of SO3 by total number of moles SO3 plus into, that means this is the partial pressure. Now the total number of moles we have to find out, plus 2SO3 gas plus 2 minus X plus total moles 2 minus X plus 2X plus X minus X, that means get cancelled, 2 plus 2X. This is the total moles. Okay, partial pressure number of moles is the number of moles of SO3 is 2 plus 2 into 0.5, 2 only. That means 1.5 by 4, 2 plus 2 into 0.5, 1.54 plus 0.5. Have to calculate. That means x is equal to what? 1.5 into 0.5 by 4. 1.5 into 0.5, 4, that means 4, 0.5 to 1, 8, 1.5 by 8, that means 1.5. We have to write it 1 by 2, then 0.2 atmosphere. We have to calculate 0.2 atmosphere. Okay, 1.5 we have to calculate. Partial pressure is 0.2 atmosphere. Okay, this is the small mistake. 2 modes you have to take 2 minus 2x. We have to write it 2 minus 2x. This is 2 plus x. This is the 2 plus x, and this is the 2 plus x. 2 minus 0.5 plus 0.5. We have to calculate. This is the 0. Into 0.5. We have to calculate 0.2 atmosphere. Small mistake. 2 minus 2x. This is the total pressure is 2 plus x, and initial is right 2 minus x by 2 plus x. This is 0.2 atmosphere.